Today we are going to be talking about subject pronouns. That's a fancy way of saying those little words that help us to talk about who or what we are talking about. Let me show you some of them. They are words like I, it, he, she, you, we, and they. I'm going to be giving some examples in Spanish, so if you know that language, that might help you to understand what I'm talking about. If I'm talking about I'm talking about myself. En español se dice yo. So I am talking, or I go to the store, or I explain something. If I want to use ser or estar en español, so if I want to say yo soy or yo estoy, I say I am. I means me. Here are some other words. Sometimes we're going to use the word it if we don't know if it's a boy or a girl, or if it's just a thing, like pencil, or a bottle, or something like that. It's a thing. So I can say it is, like for the pencil, it is red. Or if I'm going to do a cup, it is green. En Spanish, en español se dice lo o la para decir una cosa. If I'm talking about something that is a boy, I'm talking about he. So maybe my brother, my friend, my dad, I could say he. If I want to say él es or él está, he is. So again, if I'm talking about él, he is. So my brother is energetic. Or if I'm talking about my dad, he is kind. If I'm talking about a girl, like my mom, my aunt, my sister, I would say in Spanish, en español se dice ella. Ella es, or ella está. So in English, I would say she is. She is my mom. Or she is so nice. If I'm not talking about me, I'm talking about you. En Spanish, tú puedes decir en español tú, usted, o ustedes. So I can say you are. You are listening. You are thinking. It's something that you do. If I say the word we, that's me, but other people too. So we goes together. We are learning. We are working. Nosotros o nosotras estamos o somos. Finally, I could use the word they. They starts like the with that TH digraph. So it's like, but down in my throat. They. They are. So I'm not talking about me. I'm talking about some other group of people, more than one. They are. En español se dice ellos o ellas están, o ellos o ellas son. So they are sleeping. They play together. Those are ways that I could use those words. Let's practice a little bit. This is actually me. So if I'm talking about myself, I could say something like, I am Relaxing. Oh, two girls here. So like ellas in Spanish. I could say they are listening. Here's a boy. Would I use he or she? That's right. I would say he is waiting. Here's some for you to try on your own. Describe your mom. Describe tu mamá. A tu mamá. Think about which word you would use. He, she, it, they. Describe your siblings. Describe a tus hermanos. Siblings means brothers and sisters put together. Those are siblings. Are you going to use he, she, they, we? Describe your pet. Describe a tu mascota. You might know if it's a boy or a girl, or maybe you're not sure. So you could use a couple different options there depending on what you know. Give it a try using our subject pronouns. That's how we describe different things in English, talking about who or what it is.